Okay, so as previously mentioned about this being the first model that they moved the ports to the left and the power button. Just a correction, they moved this on the Surface Pro 9 because the 8s had the power button on the side and the USB ports on the right. Now with the Surface Pro 9 and 10, they've changed those buttons and ports. Now, this is a Surface Pro 9 case by Kensington. Let's see if it fits. Well, that seems to fit perfectly. Got access to the ports, power supply. Perfect. So now we know the Surface Pro 9 case fits the 10. And this is the Carpenter style pen, magnetic, and charges there. Only charges there when you have the keyboard plugged in to the unit. There you go.